This is the train. Yeah, I love how Malaysian trains are. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Forina. On today's video, I want to use Kuala Lumpur KL hop on Bustour. Yeah. So this is an open bus where you can go around Kuala Lumpur. This is a 24 hours bus. So you can choose what time you want to go, whether afternoon, evening, or in the night. Yeah. So I already booked my ticket now online at trip.com, which is not expensive. So now I'm at the location to confirm if it's the place I'm going to take off my bus. So this is the place you can see. Hop off, on, hop off, Kuala Lumpur. Yeah. Here you can buy ticket here physically, and then you can ask many questions here. So here is the place where at the main entrance we're gonna wait for the bus to come, so you can show your ticket and you can enter inside. So it's only 2 hours, 2.5 hours tour from Kuala Lumpur, and there are the areas where you are going here. So anyhow, I'm gonna go find something to eat, and later I will prepare for the bus here. So I will catch you guys inside the bus. Let's see how beautiful it is. I don't know what is this. Is a Jalan Bukit Street here in Kuala Lumpur. The place is very good and there is a lot of mall. So, and the place is very crowded here. You can see people. I'm shocked, but Kuala Lumpur is like the food here is very good, and anywhere you go, you must see a lot of places to eat there. This is the Pay and Go Plus. This is an application in the Kuala Lumpur for tourists. When you come, if you want to use payment like using a QR code and other things, it's very easier for you. Yeah. This place is for 5 room, as low as 89 RMB, 89 RM. There is many good perfumes. Yeah, I think I need to visit here one more again. Yeah. So here is just a local camp place. You can see that it's very beautiful, and there is a lot of good food here. I think maybe I come here and eat. Yeah. But for then, let me check out this beautiful place. Let's see. You can see from here. You can see the Kuala Lumpur Twin Tower. Yeah. Malaysia is very amazing. Wow. No, I can't deny the fact. Yeah. So this country is very good. Very good. So I don't need to cross the road. I'm just gonna go find. I saw a restaurant back there. This place is very good, so I wanna go try the food here. You can see this is Bintang. It's like a train station, right? No. It's a train station. If you go up there, this is a station of the train where you can get a train. And you can go any place you want to go. Yeah. So I feel like the system here is different there. In China, everything is underground, but in Malaysia, everything is up here. But anyhow, here, the development is very good there. You can see this is a train transit where the train stops. Babylon KL. Yeah. I think all these places are inside city. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna try Malaysian train. Let's see how very good it is. Yeah, I really need to try it out. I really need to try it to see how good it is. Because in China we are already used to underground subway. Everything is underground. So let me go find food to eat. I will catch you guys up inside the Bustour. Let me give you guys a little tour of Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so now we are inside the bus. This is my ticket. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is a 24 hours bus. You can use it anytime. It must not be like necessarily must be 4, yeah. But anytime you go, it's like 2.5 hours, yeah. You're gonna go run and come back and drop at the same location, yeah. So here is the train station. I think when I'm coming back to the hotel, I will do a blog on how to use the Malaysian train station, maybe, yeah. So now we are inside. You can see this is the side of the road. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna give you guys a good tour of Kuala Lumpur, because I think this is one of the best way to Kuala Lumpur very much at the afternoon on the bus, yeah. Even though it is very sunny, yeah, it's very sunny. So we're gonna push when the bus starts, but there is a lot of a queue inside the bus. But I think we might not have too many people inside the bus, because I think in the night the people like going for the tour in the night. So not all people like going in the afternoon, because there is very sun outside here. But Kuala Lumpur has a lot of traffic. So I don't know how we're gonna do. If they say it is 2.5 hours, so maybe we're gonna do 4 hours here. But I don't know. Let's see. So I'll catch you guys when the bus starts, so we can see the beautiful of Kuala Lumpur. You can see this is Kuala Lumpur train passing by. This is the station now. So we have been working for a very long time. I have been waiting for us to reach the Tower Street, so I can film about it there. It's like we are just going on, but you can see from afar. But up to now we have not reached here. We are just going on here. So I believe here might be closed, because I can see a tower here. This is the tower side there. So now it's not sunny. You can see other people inside the bus, because the weather is a little bit good now. Yeah. The background, everything is very good. Kuala Lumpur is very big. Yeah, city is not joke. And each side of King's University College, Kuala Lumpur, each side of the city is really amazing. Yeah. This is export and import Bank of Malaysia. And I think Malaysia is one of the countries that has a lot of village. All of Kuala Lumpur is surrounded with a lot of village. You can see this is Kuala Lumpur University. University of Kuala Lumpur. Here is a lot of students coming to study here. So Kuala Lumpur is very good city is amazing. I love it very much. This Kuala Lumpur University. Maybe I'll come apply some scholarship here. So I'll just stay in Malaysia. Yeah. So anyway, let's see our last destination. Yeah. And I'll end this video.